Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Denise, aka the VA Loan Lady, coming back at you with a little bit more of VA loan knowledge for you, because you can't call yourself the VA Loan Lady if you don't know about the VA loan. That's how it works. Today we're going to talk about what kind of paperwork you're going to need and what you should expect to have to obtain a VA loan from a lender. I am a licensed lender. I am licensed in currently 4 states. My main state is Colorado. If you have any questions or you need a lender in another state, feel free to reach out to me. I can hook you up. Or if you're in one of my states, I can be your lender and we could be friends. Probably. If you're nice, you seem nice. So we'll be friends. So I hear it a lot in my business. Why are you asking me for stuff? Why do you need paperwork from me? Why? I don't want to give you any. I don't even know you. That's a very good question. And usually my answer is because 2008 happened. So for you guys that don't know what happened in 2008, our economy went, blew to hell. It was bad. It was real bad. They were just giving loans out willy-nilly. Just anyone could get a loan. Hi, I'd like to get a loan. Oh, okay, great. Yeah. So what do you do for work? I train hamsters. I'm a hamster trainer, full-time. Yep. Oh, okay. Great. So how much do you make as a hamster trainer? I'm like a real good one, like the best one. Like $120,000 a year. Oh yeah, no, that sounds right. Sure. Boom, here's your loan. Enjoy your house. And then everyone foreclosed. The end. Long story short, that's why we ask for all the paperwork now. We want to make sure that we're smart by lending money to you. We also don't like seeing people getting foreclosed on because it sucks and then you have no house and everything's terrible. I know me as a human person, I don't want to give someone a loan who can't afford a loan, because that's just crappy. We ask for the paperwork to make sure that you're able to afford the loan. That's basically it. Look, I'm not trying to steal your identity from your bank statement, okay? I have my identity, trust me, more than enough to deal with. So what I'm gonna go over real quick is the basic paperwork you're gonna need for a VA loan. Remember, this may vary from lender to lender, so do not take everything I say as gospel. I am not Loan Jesus, and I don't have all the answers, but I have enough information to maybe help you go through the process and not be so stressed. So it's 5 or 6 main items that you're gonna be asked for to qualify for a VA loan. The first one is going to be 2 years of W-2s. The second thing that you are going to need is a current LES, or if you are not active duty anymore, you are going to need pay stubs, current pay stubs, because we need to see how much you make. We're gonna need a valid ID, because make sure you're not lying about who you are. Just make sure when you're giving us the ID that it is not expired, because it happens a lot. Check your expiration dates, people. And the last big thing that we are going to need is the certificate of eligibility for the veteran who is using their VA loan benefits. I don't know how to get that. So myself and my team, we pull it ourselves, so you do not have to worry about it. Do check with the lender that you are using to see if they can pull yours for you. And that will basically tell us if you've used your VA loan before, what kind of funding fee we need to use, if you're exempt, if you get disability, if you get retirement, things like that. Now, just because I named those items doesn't mean those are the only items. There are additional items that may or may not be asked for. It depends on your situation, what's going on in your loan, and what's going on in your life, frankly. So just for example, some other things that could be asked for by your lender: your DD-214 if you've gotten out of the military, a divorce decree if you have been divorced. Depending on what your work is now and how we're gonna verify your income, we may need your tax return. If you're moving to a different place and you are active duty, we will need your orders showing that you are coming to the place you're buying. Or if you are coming from another state and you are not active duty, we will very often ask for an offer letter to show what you are going to make when you're here. It really depends. It's a very, very personal, dependent thing, all those additional documents that we may or may not need as loan officers. But I assure you that most of the loan officers that are out there are not trying to steal your identity and are not asking you for these things to make you mad. Trust me, the last thing we want to do is make you mad. We are not asking for extra documents for funsies. If you're getting ready to PCS and you want to buy when you get there, you may want to put these things to the side, put them in an envelope, carry them with you. Make sure they are accessible and you're going to be able to send them to your loan officer. Any other questions about this, again, you can always put them down below. You can contact me directly. I'm always here for questions. I hope you all have a great day and get your docs in order.